Hello, I am JasmineLatishea. Please take the time out to go check out the rest of my videos. I have weight loss videos with intermittent fasting and keto. Show you how to make some weight loss drinks, tips. I also do cooking, and I have some vlogs over there as well. So please check it out. Now on today, I'm doing a crystal jasmine lamp that's going to be bejeweled from top to bottom, and I'm going to show you how to do that using only supplies from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. So first we're going to start with some silver gemstones from Walmart. They cost about $12 for a pound of them. So I bought a lamp that was on clearance. This lamp was $11. So I'm just taking some of the crystals and I'm gluing them to the top part of the lamp. Right there I did not have enough space, so I just only overlapped it, and you cannot tell at all that it didn't have enough space to fit. And I'm using the biggest gems. It comes in 4 different sizes, so you might want to take the time to separate them first. And here, after every layer, I'm going to be going in with makeup remover because it contains alcohol to remove the fingerprints, the oils, and to I'm using a glue gun, so to get the glue gun strings away from the lamp. This is the second layer of the biggest gems, and what I do is I just filled in the gaps, not directly under, but I shifted it a little bit. Again, I'm going in with the makeup remover to remove the oils from my fingerprints and the glue strings. And it makes the jewels adhere better as well. So now I'm going in with about the 3rd biggest jewel. And once again, I'm just going to go around the entire top of the lamp. And I'm going to use the same pattern with the shifted into the gaps. So not directly under, but in between the gaps of the previous layer. And it works better if you go ahead and just put the glue on there, especially the smaller the gems get, so you won't burn yourself. The glue gun does get hot. So now I'm going to go in with another layer. And this time I'm going to sit this different size gem. It's like the 2nd biggest, and I'm going to stick that in the middle of the gems that I just laid down. So altogether it's only 3 layers for this part. Here, about 2 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches apart, I'm going to start doing like this. I was thinking like a raindrop pattern, and the reason I'm saying that is because they're gonna get smaller as they descend down the lamp. So use about 5 to 6 of the big ones. Use at least 5 or 6 of each size descending. And they get smaller and smaller as you go down the lamp. I actually was making it up, this design, as I was completing it. So some things I could have tweaked and adjusted, but I like the way it came out. So this is how you get it exactly as how it looks right now. Plus it's yours, so you can do what you want. So some of them not gonna go all the way down because I had a different idea in mind at first. Here's a closer view of what it looks like. And when I descended them, I used different amounts of gems for each line. Like some of them had 6 of the biggest gems, some had 5, some had 7. Now for this project, I do not recommend using the hot glue gun unless you have a really, really good one, a really strong one. But either use the E6000 or super glue from the Dollar Tree. I believe they have small tubes of E6000 as well. But either way, I paid $1. Now I did measure them, so they weren't the same size apart as I wanted them. This diamond wrap also came from the Dollar Tree. It was only $1, and I grabbed a few sheets of that. For this project, I would say you need 1.5, so grab 2. And I'm doing the stem right now. I was able to use a bunch of the strips together. It does have adhesive on the back as well. I was able to use some together, but on the bottom part, I had to cut them into smaller strips to fit them on there. And if you have open gaps, just cut it down to size and then stick it on there. And when you put them on top, it will look seamless. It won't look like it's something else on top. It will all fit together. Like in that tiny gap, I would probably use two of the little sections of the bling wrap, see? Now here, this is what I was thinking at first when I was creating this look. I wanted like this raindrop shape at the end of each one of these like little legs or jewel descending thingies, whatever you want to call it. But then here is, after I did this is when I changed my mind. And now this is the only place where you can actually see glass throughout the project. So if you want to do, you can use other shapes as well, a letter, whatever you want to put right there. So go ahead and just use some E6000 super glue. The glue gun did not help this adhere at all. So now I'm going to do the base of the lamp. And I just actually took a big piece of the strip and just glued it along the bottom. Now we're going to make our little cave-like arches in between the legs of the other jewels. So just take it around. Glue those down if the adhesive comes off. But sometimes it will come off. Once I was doing this, I did find that I liked it this way too. And if I ever make another one using this idea, I would leave it like right here and just do like all the little arches around, because I did like this look, but I had started to already fill in the front, so it was already too late. Plus I wanted to see what it looked like with gems all over it. So just go ahead and use something to help that stick to the glass. See, I had already completed the front, so I couldn't go on with that idea. I mean, I could have, but I just went on ahead and completed it. That's the front with the jewels. Now I'm going to just go through, fill it in. Now with all these open spaces, I started with 2 strips on each side with like the third biggest jewel. And then in the centers, I would use the smallest jewels to fit as many as I could on there. And this was a pound of jewels, so they go pretty far. I still have over a half a thing left even after doing this. In the centers, do not do them, try to do them in like straight lines. It's better if you like slant the lines a little bit. You will be able to fit more jewels in there and cover more space. Using the 2 smallest jewels. And if you see any gaps, make sure you go back and put more jewels in. At those bottoms right there, now I couldn't see those when I was standing the lamp up, but make sure you put jewels down those too. The lamp came out very nice. I really do like it. I can't stop looking at it. And next I am going to be doing a lampshade to go with this, so stay tuned for that. Just find you a lamp on clearance and practice on that. Around the cord, I just left it that way. No one's going to see it because it's going to be, that's the back. Or you can just cut 2 small strips and put them on there. Still gluing, and it's way easier if you use the super glue and just spread it on there with a popsicle stick or a dowel, a wooden dowel. Just spread that on there and then just glue constantly. So that for me, that worked better than the glue gun anyway. And here's the finished product. So pretty, it's so pretty. So I hope you like this lamp. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, check out some of my other videos. Thank you for watching this. There's a little teardrop. I have some exercise videos, exercise, weight loss. Got some cooking videos and some inspirational vlogs. So you guys, please just stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. And you all have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.